Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today I will show you exactly how to make your own animated GIFs in Canva, and it will be an step-by-step video in 2025. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So first of all, you just need to open a design. Let's say we're going to open a custom size here. Let's say this one will be our custom size. I already opened it. So now you just need to make an banner or anything. Once you are in editor, you can add text, image, sticker, anything you want in your GIFs. So I will go to the element and I will search for sticker here, and then I will hit enter. Once I hit enter, then here we have a couple of things. So I will go and use this as a GIF. So once I paste it here, then now I just need to go to the next step and add animation. So copy or click on any element like the text on or a graphic. You will see animate button in the top toolbar. So let's say we are going to add this one also here. So I'm going to add animations in that place. So I am going to place this one in here and also this one. So I am going to add the animate one, and from that place I am going to give this one is a pulse, and the intensity will be the same as it. So now once it's done, you can animate each element separately or apply a phase animation to animate everything at once. Play around with the animation to see what looks best. You can also adjust the timing by clicking the clock icon, make your GIF fast or slow. Now you just need to add multiple pages. It is completely optional, but let me tell you that if you want to GIF to have multiple frames, add new pages at the bottom. Each page acts like a frame in your animation, so you can change text, move elements, or add new graphics. When you play it, Canva will animate all pages in a loop. Now you just need to download as it in a GIF. Just click over here and just click to the download, and from that place you will find out the GIF options. You just need to click the GIF and just click to the download. Once you click over here, it will take time to download the complete. Once it's done, then you are able to see the GIF file in actually. So we just need to keep patience here. Let's wait a bit. When it will be complete, I will come back in here again. So here actually you can see it already been done. So I am going to preview this one, just open this one, and now actual result you are able to see it. And we already created our GIF file. Here you can see the name untitled1.gif. So this way you can create GIF on Canva. If you love this video and the information, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.